can't find my jeans. Ooh, I should probably not put this in the shot like that. It is 7 a.m. on Saturday. It is supposed to snow, like up to 5 inches today apparently. But we're going to the zoo. I'm gonna go get dressed real quick. If I can find my jeans. There was a pair of jeans I really wanted to wear and I can't find them anywhere, but I haven't worn them since being back from break. So that's annoying. I'm giving up on these jeans because they're not on my floor, they're not in my drawers, they're not in my laundry basket. I have not worn them since being back from break, so I don't know where else they would be. I don't have a very big room. I got my LL Bean jacket on nice and warm. However, like I said, it's supposed to snow. So I'm going to take my light waterproof jacket to throw on top of this because this jacket is really warm. I just need something a little waterproof. Got my gloves. They're going to go in my pocket till I get downstairs. And my ID. And then got my little earmuff thingamabob. Now, I do have a hat in case my head like gets cold, like my scalp or whatever, because it is gonna snow. Got it in here, along with my inhaler, hand sanitizer, all that fun stuff in my wallet. But we have to walk all the way over there. Get in the picture.
I'm gonna post it on Snapchat so all my friends can know that I do things.
You actually leave your dorm.
Occasionally.
We're the only ones here right now. The zoo opens in 2 minutes. We're the only ones here.
It really feels like the world has ended, but like the zoo managed to survive somehow. We're the only people. Like,
well, there's one other lady who isn't with anybody, which like I get, right? Like go to the zoo when you want to. I do it all the time, but I don't know. Just seems weird. Everything's closed. Oh, there's a guy right there. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's so cute. I love him. Her, I think that's a her actually, looking at it. Oh. Yes, I know. I don't know how I knew that, but I knew that. Oh, it was on the radio yesterday on my way to work. Hi. Hi, baby. What is up there that you keep trying to get? Or you're just doing a little show. You're just going in circles. It's cute though. I see you. I know. There's most definitely another one in there. Oh my god. Hi. There's another one. He's over here. He's down there. You can't really see him. You can only see him up here. Oh, I love the zoo. There's down there.
Aww.
And then there's the one up there.
Yeah.
You tell me to please.
Hey. Oh my god, I love their pandas. They're so cute.
Why you look at them all?
Largest lizards in the world.
They killed him.
Yeah, they're the most dangerous lizards in the world too. Hello, friend. I've actually never seen a Komodo dragon.
You've
Like,
never watched Jessie and
Oh, no. Sorry, not in person. Not in person. I've never seen one in person. So, fun fact. You're gonna get used to this. I'm gonna give you animal facts all day. Snakes. They know they came from lizards, but they don't know what kind of lizard they came from, aquatic or land animal, or terrestrial. I don't know how to talk. Wait, there's another one back there. And so basically, he's trying to get out, but they'll fight each other, and that's not good. So basically, they did like a genetic study in like 2012 or something like that, and they tried to figure out like what family of lizards snakes are most commonly related to kind of get a better idea. Okay, that tiger's an attention whore. And basically, they were able to trace it back to, I'll insert the name below because I cannot think of what that is off the top of my head, but which is a marine type of lizard. However, the closest common ancestor to that is a Komodo dragon. So they don't know
Wow.
if snakes came from land or water.
Amazing.
Thanks, Hank Green. They're just sleeping. Normally in Philly, the females are all just laying in the sun, and then the male just like paces back and forth in front of the glass.
Yeah.
More again, yes. Do it one more time, Again. They sound like my dog. You done?
Yeah, a little left.
The flamingos are in that nice and warm spot. Hello, buds. You probably already know this fact, but you know that flamingos are actually white, but they turn pink because of all the shrimp they eat. That's like a fact everyone knows. Oh, they're nice and warm inside.
Mm-hmm.
It's 30 degrees out.
Cold. My hands are freezing right now.
I don't Google it. It's a leopard. The Amur leopard. I don't have any leopard facts. I mean, these are kind of a general big cat fact. So obviously we got our mascot's the panther. Did you know that panthers are any type of big cat that is just morphologically black? So they can be leopards, they can be jaguars, they can be mountain lions, they can be anything. They can
Yet,
be
our
what?
mascot is brown.
Yeah, I know. That makes me so mad. They're literally just big cats that are black. And that's what makes it a panther. So panthers are not their own species.
So pretty.
I think he's hungry. Bet it's time for him to eat. Judging by how early in the morning it is and how he's pacing.
Like, if I could do anything in life, it would just to, like, rub my fur on, like, a big cat, and then they could eat me, and I would be happy.
Okay. You want to get in there?
Yeah. I just want to, like, pet them and, like, rub my face in their fur.
Your safest bet was probably that lynx we found. Oh my goodness. My glasses are so foggy. It's so warm in here, but look at them. Oh, hello, babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love elephants. We got rid of our elephants so long ago. Like, oh, I miss them. Look at Jean. Do you like to move it, Mr. Madagascar lemur? Did you know, well, you probably didn't know this, it's just a weird fact. But, so the Philadelphia Zoo has lemurs. I don't know what kind of lemur they are off the top of my mind. But they're actually the cousins of Subumafu, like they would come from the same breeder.
Oh my god.
Hi, babies. Ah. So we got a sloth back there. He's in a little crate. And then we got some capuchins and saki up there. They're kind of hard to see. Look Look at them howler monkeys for once being quiet. You're peeing? Really? Hi, Mr. Gibbon. Hello. It's not focusing on you, but hello. Oh, where are you going? No, you're... Oh my god!
That's scary.
Are you okay? You just hit the glass. Do you have a concussion now? Oh my god, he just like swung himself into the glass. Hi. I have the funniest 2 orangutan stories. So one time I was at the zoo and it started raining and the orangutans were outside and one of them found a towel and put it on his head. And then one time I was at the zoo with my friend Ruby and there was like a baby orangutan and the dad and they were fighting over this blanket and I was like, I have this video. It was like the funniest like 10-minute video I've ever seen. There are only gorillas in Africa. These are the colobus monkeys. Right? There's a baby gorilla. Okay, we're going over to the silverback gorillas. Their scientific name is gorilla.
The baby gorilla's right here.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Oh, there's, I'm guessing it's super hard to see these gorillas because it's so dark. That's why I like it. I don't want to disturb them and upset them with my flash. You really, honestly cannot see anything, but right here there is a mama gorilla holding her baby. It's so cute, but you literally cannot see anything. You can see the gorillas like in the background here, but she's hiding in the shadows, keeping her baby safe. It's cute, we promise. We got some blue monkeys. Yeah. Oh, there's another one up there. Oh, so earlier today when we were by the lions, we could see like in the distance a cheetah, and we found her. We'll add it together.
I love cheetahs.
They're so good.
We used to watch Big Cat Diary before school all the time, and one time there was like the mama cheetah with her baby cheetah cubs, and then it started raining, so they got like super scruffy, and they were like the cutest things I've ever seen.
I cannot remember, but there's a movie about a cheetah about like how it got its like lines under its eyes or whatever. It was like my favorite movie. Oh, there are the lions again. But I used to nanny in Georgia, and the kid that I nannied is my second cousin or whatever, and she loves what is it called? Lion Guard? Like
Yeah.
Simba's son or whatever on like Disney Junior, and she's obsessed with Fuli the cheetah. So I learned all these cheetah facts for her. And so here's a cheetah fact. Let's go to the cheetah and I'll tell you the cheetah fact. Cheetah right here. There's multiple cheetahs apparently. There's one over here and there's just one inside. So my cheetah fact is, so obviously everyone knows cheetahs are the fastest land animal in the world, right? Okay. So but they can only run at their maximum speed for about a minute at like the longest. I'm trying to find the other cheetah. Where'd he go? I don't know. Oh, there she is. They can only run about their maximum speed for about a minute. So when they chase animals like gazelle, which is their main prey, right? Gazelles can't run that fast, but they can run for longer. So gazelles have evolved this cooling system. This is more of a gazelle fact than a cheetah fact. They've evolved this cooling system in their head. They have like a chamber, like an empty sinus in their head, simply so that they can filter air and cool the air so they don't overheat.
That's crazy.
Cheetahs don't have this cooling system, and that's why they overheat after a certain amount of time running as fast as they do.
We still love them though.
Yeah, we do. But that's like a fun like evolution thing, right? There was this desire, there was this need for gazelles to adapt to outrun the cheetah, so they didn't all die. And that's what they did.
Did you know cheetahs only need to drink once every 3 to 4 days?
Yes. Did you know that Gila monsters only eat about 3 times a year?
Wow.
That's a reptile fact though. Actually laminated.
I guess he was officially
an animal. I'm living my dreams. I'm living my dreams. I got my Animal Keeper card. Now we're gonna play Operation on a Tiger. You're not in the video. There you go. I had almost lost all hope of finding one of the tropical animals because they're all inside somewhere. We can't find the entrance. We found the monkey. I don't know what kind of monkey because there's not a sign. And monkeys aren't my forte of animal facts. You have to, it's really foggy because it's really humid in there because this is an island animal. That's a warty hog. He's inside right now. He's one of the 2 animals we've been able to find from the island exhibit because it's super cold. Is there anyone in here? It doesn't look like it. Oh wait, no, there it is.
The leopard?
Yeah. You can't see it on
Oh,
camera.
I can just see it through like where the
Yeah.
water.
There is an Amur, or not an Amur, there is a clouded leopard in there. It is super tiny. I didn't think it was that tiny.
Aw, hi baby.
It looks kind of like a serval, if you know what a serval looks like.
Hey kitty, I love you.
Yeah. Kind of looks like a serval, but a little bit bigger, minus the pointy ears. Like this plus the lynx we saw earlier is definitely like a serval. We got some corals. This is the coral conservation area. It's like the behind the scenes of the aquarium part. Got some corals. That's a yellow tang. Tangs are like the most obnoxious fish in the world. We had a mock chocolate tang, and they were little. Oh my god! Look at the sea turtles. Oh my god! Are these leatherback sea turtles? They look like they're loggerhead sea turtles. Oh my god! They're so small. They're like little babies. They're loggerhead sea turtles. This is like a rescue rehabilitation thing, I'm guessing. Okay, we've got some lake sturgeons, which are those big ones. I think that's a bowfin. I've pet lake sturgeons before, actually. They actually used to feel really cool. I don't know what else everything is. There's only 3. Okay, I'm not gonna film the aquarium a ton, simply because, first of all, the glass in the aquarium tends to like glare and then you can't see anything. And second of all, my phone's about to die and there's some cooler things I want to show you. So we're gonna do the aquarium. Hopefully we can find a reptile house because I haven't seen it on the map and I really want to see some reptiles. Hi, buddy. I love turtles. Turtle. Hello. Oh yeah, so you can see why he's in here. Look at his shell. So he was probably one of the rehabilitation turtles that they decided to keep. Oh my goodness! Hello, Mr. Oh my, your eyes are scary looking. I'm one with the fish. That stingray's a bully. He came in and started bullying other stingrays.
Wow.
I love fish. Oh, I haven't touched a stingray since the summer. No? Okay. So what you gotta do, you gotta just keep your 2 hands together. And they'll come to you. If they want to be pet. You can't like force it on them. Yeah, see, like he's not having it.
Oh, here comes one.
Okay, my hand won't go that. I just got my shirt wet. No, he's not having it. He's like thinking about it. He's like, nah. Alright. Hi, Mr. Polar Bear. Hello, look at you. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh my god. Oh, I miss. Our polar bears just died. We had two. One of them died a couple years ago. One of them died in the past summer. Hi. Yeah, I see you. Hello. Hello, Mr. Polar Bear. I love bears. Bears are so cute. They deserve more love. Oh my goodness. Yes! Penguins! Oh my goodness.
With the white strap across their head. We also have macaroni penguins out with the ones with yellow feathers in their head.
Oh my god. They're just like they're having kind of their lives.
Right there. Mommy, penguin poop.
Ooh, fancy. You found a donkey. Hello, donkey. You don't want anything to do with us. What a mess. And there's some goats. Of course, every zoo's got some goats. The goat yard's closed, so we can't pet them. But hello, goats. Oh, and Miss kinda like dead, but they got like all this like cool like tree top trails or whatever with like slides and stuff. But it's cold and we're not allowed to do that.
Look, it was Mackenzie's birthday. Happy birthday, Mackenzie, whoever you are.
Oh, and there's like a little otter ride to, but you have to be smaller than the little otter. Oh, it's a beaver ride, but you have to be smaller than the otter. That makes sense. Okay, Worlds of Discovery. Apparently in here is where we'll find the reptiles. Okay, so Mackenzie's birthday is happening right now. Whoever the hell Mackenzie is. There's a lot of screaming kids, but this is like where the reptiles are. And we found some axolotls. I love axolotls. They're so cute. So they're back there. They're hiding from the screaming children. And in here. Oh my god, what are you? You look like a kind of catfish. Milk snakes. So, milk snakes are really, really, I mean, they're not docile, but they're like harmless. However, they all have different, they're actually called, milk snakes are like technically called like the scarlet king snake. So they're king snakes. But there's different colorations of them, and one of the colorations looks really similar to a coral snake, which is super deadly. So you have to like know like the difference, like how to tell the difference. I can't really tell you the difference because I mean I could, but like we'll try to find a milk snake or a coral snake and then I'll point it out. Eyelash viper. These guys, he's pretty young, so you can't really tell, but he's got like little eyelashes, like scales. They are deadly. Vipers are not fun. So yeah. Naked mole rats! Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Oh, they're all like cuddled up because it's chilly. Black-tailed rattlesnakes. Don't mess with rattlesnakes. They're scary. That's a bunch of rattlesnakes. So you can like see like 3 heads. Obviously you can tell a rattlesnake is a rattlesnake by its tail. Oh my, there's more over there. You can see them. But its head has got that distinctive triangle shape. Oh my, there's another one over there. That's a lot of rattlesnakes. More rattlesnakes. Prairie rattlesnakes. Gila monsters. So these are the most dangerous lizards in North America. And this was the reptile I told you earlier. Only has to eat a couple times a year. 2 or 3. And they spend most of their year like that, just hiding in a rock. But their close cousin Mexican bearded lizards are slightly less venomous, but yeah, they're pretty venomous, but not as venomous as the Komodo dragon as we saw earlier. Acorn, he's a rattlesnake. He is the eastern diamondback rattlesnake, and these ones, I think the western diamondback are the most venomous in North America. But you still don't want to get bitten by any rattlesnake. Fake one here, we got a neotropical rattlesnake. Oh, the other one's asleep. The other one's like, no. Mexican bearded lizard, so these are really closely related to the Gila monster. They're not as dangerous though. But They are venomous. Giant day gecko. Ooh, he's big. Look at the geckos. So geckos are one of the only types of lizards that don't have eyelids, so they lick their eyes to keep them moist.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah. However, geckos are also one of the only type of lizards that are found in pretty much every continent, minus Antarctica, obviously. And they are called geckos because they are pretty much found in, mostly found in like Central and South America. And the like ancient Mayans and whatnot called them geckocs because of that. That's kind of the noise they make.
Yeah.
And who we got? He's awake, but he's not really alert. This is the Western Diamondback rattlesnake. So he's like the most dangerous. You see him, you run. Do not. Oh no, is he in here?
They're invisible. The last time we were here, they were going at it. There were two of them.
Oh.
Another invisible animal.
What is this one? Tell us about it.
It's a Thestral from the Harry Potter movies. Oh, you can only see it if you've seen death, so I mean, I haven't been through anything rough in life, so I can't see it. So.
Yeah, I've not seen death. I've not witnessed it, so.
It's kind of like a horse bat looking thing. It's very skeletal-like. Kind of freaky.
She just finished watching the Harry Potter series for the first time. Here we see one of Pittsburgh's many 400 plus bridges. The City of Steel and its many bridges.
A little crunchy.
Yeah, we got some salt on here. It's,
Kind of wobbly.
yeah, they're expecting some freezing rain. It's a little too warm for snow apparently. But now the forecast is calling for rain. It's freezing rain because it's freezing. Ooh, it's a Galapagos tortoise statue.
It's a turtle thing. There's a picture of me and my family all sitting on this turtle.
It's a Galapagos tortoise. Gosh, I just told you how to tell the difference between a turtle and a tortoise.
There's a picture of us sitting on it somewhere.
Okay. Turtle races! Okay. Okay, so there's a do not enter sign where the kangaroo and the deer are and whatnot. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go try to find some food because we're hungry. We were gonna eat up there, but there's a do not enter sign and I just tripped on the sidewalk. He's up. Oh, now he's going down. Hello. But you can actually see the tigers now. Well, one of them. The other one's behind that rock. Okay, we just ate. I got my souvenir cup. It's really chilly. Kind of done everything that's like there to do when it's this cold. We're gonna try to beat the snow / freezing rain. So we're gonna head out now. Maybe stop at the gift shop on the way out. There are 4 lynxes. No way. I thought there was only one earlier. No, that's one. That's just one lynx. There's 3 lynxes. There's 2 up there. There's 1 down there. Alright, so my phone died, obviously, as we were leaving the zoo. I didn't get a souvenir. I did get a souvenir cup, so I'm okay with that. And I'm sure I'm going to go back at some point. The bus wasn't going to come for 40 freaking minutes, so we took an Uber. We try not to Uber because we get free transportation with our public transportation with our university IDs. We got back at like 1:30, 1:40ish. It's now like 3:20, I think. No, it's like 4 o'clock. My watch is wrong. Oh no, it's not. I just read it backwards. Yeah, so we got back at like 1:40, and then I chilled for a little bit, and then I went and did some D&D because I'm gonna start playing that this semester. So I went and took a meeting about like how to make a character. So I'm gonna be a wizard because I'm a nerd. All right. If you like this, oh my god, I'm like so out of breath. It's been such a long day. I literally got up at 7. I'm so tired. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. go check out another video as well. I think they'll be on the side of the screen. No, they're on that side of the screen. I don't know. There'll be somewhere on the screen I think my last video and then a video for you. I think. I don't know. Click some videos, subscribe. I think subscribe is right here. I don't know. I just figured out how to use this feature on YouTube, so. Alright. Bye.